Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So, this is your subject teacher of social study, and today I'm going to revise chapter number 10 Plants and Animals from your textbook. So, my dear students, when we look in our surrounding, we find different types of plants and animals around us. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about plants and animals with examples and the importance of plants and animals in our life and the difference between wild animals and domestic animals. So, students, let's take this chapter at a glance. So, students, first of all, in this chapter, activity is given. Let's do it. Let's label the parts of a plant. So, students, first of all, do you know the parts of a plant? So, in your previous classes, you also studied about the parts of plants. A plant has many different parts. They are the root, the stem, the leaf, and the flower. So, students, here a picture of a plant is given. So, first of all, color it, and after you read the chapter, come back to this page and name its different parts. So, students, here which part of plant is this? Yes, this is a flower. So, here you can write FLOWER, flower. What is this? This is a picture of fruit. You can write here FRUIT, fruit. And what is this? This is a bird. Now, students, next, this is leaf. In singular form, you can say LEAF, leaf, and in plural form, you can write it as LEAVES, leaves. What is this? This is stem, STEM, stem. And at last, this is a root. You can write here ROOT, root. So, this was the different parts of a plant. Summing up, a plant has many different parts. They are the root, the stem, the leaf, and the flower. So, students, as I told you, a plant has many different parts. They are the root, the stem, the leaf, and the flower. So, students, first of all, we are going to discuss about the function of these parts. So, students, the root of a plant fix it in the soil, and they also take in water and nutrients from the ground. Next, stem. So, what is the function of stem? Stem holds the plant up. It also takes food and water to the different parts of a plant. Next one is leaf. So, students, leaf makes food for the plant. Flowers. Flowers use their color and sweet smell to attract insect. It means flower is a colorful part of a plant. The insect help flowers grow fruit and seed. The seeds later grow into new plants. So, there are different parts of a plant. Now students, next point is there are different kinds of a plant. Trees are big and tall, shrubs are small plants with woody stem, herbs have soft stems, climbers have weak stems and need support to climb. Creepers are weak stemmed plants that grow along the ground. So students, here the kinds of a plant is given here. So there are 5 kinds of plants, that are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So here I am going to tell you what do you mean about these 5 kinds of plant with examples. So students, the first type of a plant or kind of a plant is tree. So big and tall plants are called tree. They have thick trunk covered with bark. For example, neem, mango, coconut and banyan. Next kind is shrubs. So shrubs are small plants with strong woody stem. For example, hibiscus, lemon, rose are the example of shrubs. Next one is herbs. So herbs are also small plants but with soft stems. They are very small plants. Plants like tulsi, tomato, sunflower and mustard are herbs. Coriander, mint are the other example of the herbs. Now students, next is climbers. Students, climbers are plants with very weak stems. They are unable to stand on their own and need some support like a wall or a tree to climb. So students, plants like money plant, ivy and pea are the example of climbers. Last one is creepers. So creepers are small plants with very weak stems and they grow along the ground. For example, watermelon, pumpkin and strawberry are the example of creepers. So students, plants are of great use to us because we get food from them, and plants keep the air clean and cool. They also help bring rain, and they are home to many animals like birds, squirrels, butterflies and monkeys. So students, now we are going to discuss about the different kinds of animals. Some like the elephant live on land, some like the whale live in water, and some like the eagle fly in the air. Wild animals live in the forest and domestic animals live with or near human beings. So students, like plants, animals too are of different kinds. Some animals live on land, while some live on water, or some fly in the air like birds. The students, example for animals live on land are tiger, lion, deer, etc. And animals that live in water, fish, crocodile, whale. So students, there are so many example of birds, eagle, parrot. So students, these was the example of animals that live on land and water. Now students, next topic is the types of animals. wild animals and domestic animals. So students, wild animals live in the forest like lions, tigers, jackals and gorillas, and domestic animals can be tamed by humans and live with or near them are called domestic animals. For example, cows, horses, hens and dogs are domestic animals. So they are useful to us in many ways, like we get milk from cows, egg from hens and meat from goat. Some animals like bullocks and oxen are used to plow our fields. And some animals also help us to carry our load like horses, camels, mules and elephants. Now students, we should take care of plants and the animals around us. We should not cut down trees. When we cut down trees, we also destroy the homes of animals. And students, the main thing that we should never hurt animals. We should feed and take care of the animals that are dependent on us like our pets. Now students, exploring new words. First word is trees. Students, meaning of trees is big plant with strong hard trunks. Next, bark, the hard dry covering of a tree. Shrubs, small plants with strong woody stems. Herbs, small plants with soft stems. Nutrients, things that nourish living beings and help them grow. Climbers, small plants with very weak stems that need some support to climb. Creepers, plants with very weak stems that grow along the ground. Domestic animals, animals that live with us or near us and which have been tamed. Wild animals, animals that live in the forest and are not tame because they are very dangerous to us. Plow, it means dig up the ground before planting seeds. Now students, let's work out. Filling the blanks. First is tree have blank covered with bark. So here you can write trunk. Now second, small plants with soft stems are called herbs. In next, blank and blank are plants with very weak stems. So here you can write climber and creeper. Now next one, animals that live in the forest are wild animals. Cows, horses and hens are domestic animals. So students, this was the word meaning and filling the blanks from this chapter. In our next video, we will discuss about choose the correct option answer and answer the following questions. So students, now you have to practice and learn the word meaning and filling the blanks from this chapter and read the chapter and underline the hard words. So do practice. In our next video, we will complete this chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you students. Bye and take care.